diesel air horn, you'll need a way to test it or blow it. Some sort of air vessel, such as we see Sherry standing alongside here. This one happens to be my personal one. It's 45 gallons.
The entire setup mounted inside the bed of the Avalanche. Of course, this is made to be taken out in case I need the bed of the truck for other purposes. But there you have it. Okay, Sherry has in her hand the hose that feeds from the valve up in the Avalanche, which has a tractor trailer glad hand on it, as you can see. And basically that hooks up right up to the tank. And of course that'll feed air up to the front to the valve. Okay, my partner Sherry is going to demonstrate how this Veloco valve works that we have here in the Avalanche for blowing diesel air horns. Over here we have the hose that feeds air back from the tank, which Sherry's pointing at now. And of course we got the valve itself for blowing a horn. And the two blue handles you see, that controls which side of the rack you want to blow the horn on. Whether it be the driver's side, so you open the valve and then you pull the valve, the Veloco valve to blow the horn. And then you close that one and open the other, and you got the other horn working up on a rack. And pretty much that's how it works. Alright, Sherry has in her hand the hose that comes from the Veloco valve that feeds the right hand horn mount, and she's going to hook that up for us. And there you go. And the horn sits right on top of that mount there. And the same thing happens on the left side.
Looking at the top of the horn rack, the horn mount itself, normally on a diesel locomotive you would see 4 bolts sticking up here, but in as much as this is just for demonstration purposes and general messing around, we have 2 bolts. The cylindrical rubber thing is a gasket, actually, manufactured for locomotives.
Okay, there's my partner Sherry, and she's hanging on to a A125-247, and she's gonna mount it on a rack.